let's unbox without wasting our time. So you guys already read the title, unboxing my powerlifting belt. So unboxing box खोल के तो करते नहीं है, box फाड़ के करते हैं. So we take out the knife and we unbox it. Let's go. क्या रहेगा, thumbnail यही रहेगा. ऐसा thumbnail shot लेता हूँ. Okay, cool. Okay, 30 seconds later, the box has been unboxed and the belt is out. So, ये है मेरा first time belt देखते हुए. Feels pretty sturdy. ये क्या है, गम लगा है? Okay, cool. Feels pretty sturdy. Orion का belt है. Got it for 900 rupees. ये देखो, got it for 900 rupees. Let's try it, but try करने से पहले इस पे date आएगा. For those who don't know, I have a weird habit of putting a date on everything. Phone case, watch, my multi-tool, my knife, my earbuds. Even my wallet has the date on it. Tripod that I've been using from 2018 and it says fuck on it in German. Okay, date is up. Here are date and now let's try it. Okay, trying it with my front camera क्योंकि वरना मैं देख नहीं पाऊँगा if I am in frame or I am not. So yeah, this is the belt. This is what it looks like. Okay, by the way, मैं अभी chemistry का exam देके आया. It went well. Fits perfectly. बराबर हो रहा है ना? देख लो. Okay. Fits well, right? अच्छे से हो रहा है. ये लोगो निकालना पड़ेगा थोड़े दिन में. आई डोंट लाइक ऑरियन लिखा हुआ. एंड बाय द वे, मैं बेल्ट इधर नहीं पहनता. आई लाइक वेयरिंग इट हियर. सो या इसके ऊपर, मतलब इसके ऊपर आई लाइक वेयरिंग इट. सो although I won't be able to try it for the next few days because you know obviously the back injury, but yeah, fits well. Cool. So that was my weird habit of having a date on everything. It is damn fun, damn helpful. ऐसा याद रहता है, सब कुछ याद रहता है, कब किधर क्या हुआ था. Okay, now सब जाने दो टाइम पास. सब्सक्राइब करना and now let's get on with the rest of the vlog. I'll try to have a leg workout today. Depends if my back allows me to. But yeah, let's go. नया बेल्ट यूज करने मिलेगा आज. Let's go. And मम्मी को थैंक्स ये दिलाने के लिए. मजा आएगा. And I guess I did the entire unboxing in under 1 minute 30 seconds. Record time. येतोय ना
तेच ना.
बोल ना. आणि उघडा लगेच उघड.
0 फ्लोर आले आता लोक चढली तर.
Okay, I had great fun. The workout went great, and आज thankfully back ने साथ दिया. वरना for the past so many days back was like fucked up. But yeah, आज I could squat properly and for the first time इकडेच थांब रे एक मिनिट. नाही तर एकदम विचित्र awkward होतं. But today अरे तू मारू घेऊ नको. But today for the first time low bar squat went great. आज पहली बार ट्राई किया and I could do it like pretty easily. 60 kg usually तो easy जाता ही है, but आज और easy गया. So it was fun and लोग मुझे अभी देख रहे हैं, but it is fun, yeah. Cutting out the awkwardness. So yeah, 60 kg was also damn easy. बाकी तो मैंने बैक पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं देने के लिए ज़्यादा स्क्वाट मारा नहीं. 80 kg का टॉप सेट किया for like 4 reps. Other than that went well and yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog now. थोडा अजून कर. नाही ते मी
येतोय
नीट नाही तरी. अरे काय एवढी मागच्या बोचा दाखवायचंय का मला?
मग काय मागे